Hi friends, welcome to 𝐻𝐸111 YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to practice the coding we practice on the computer in our Android mobile. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the topic. First, we click on the link I have given in the description and install an app in Play Store. Open it after installing. As soon as you open it, you will see something like this. Now click on Next, which appears below, and click on it. Now click on Finish. As soon as done, you will see something like this. If you click on the menu below, you will see 4 options like this. If you click on the text editor in the last, we will see this. Here you can practice coding in the computer language you know. What's special about this app is that while coding, the syntax is highlighted in different colors. Apart from that, all the tags required for coding are shown below. From here we can use and practice coding brilliantly. Apart from that, this app has many useful features. As a reward for my hard work for bringing such a good app to you, if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, every video I make will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.